Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. In this video, I just want to share with us about what happened during Biafran War and after the war. How Igbo people, Biafran people, suffered, especially the children. What really happened to them and the pains they received, which are still existing in some of us today. The reason why many people are still, uh, shouting for division of Nigeria and the Biafra, freedom is basically based on what happened to the children of Biafrans. As you can see in this video, the sickness called Kwashoko, happened to deal with Igbo Biafrans. And many people seem to have forgotten that this happened in 1967. At the end of the war, the pains, continued. War started from July 6, 1967 to January 6, 1970. But 8 months after the war, these are what we are seeing here now. What we are seeing here now is the children of Biafrans and what really happened to them during the war and after the war. So this sickness called Kwashiorkor already dealt with them, and Nigerian government couldn't do anything, to unite and bring everybody together to be in one country. You are a child during this time of the war. By now, you are someone's parent. If you are, for those that are still alive and those that have survived the war. So what I'm trying to say is that this video will show you the kind of agony and pain they went through, and what really happened to them, and how they are being abandoned, and the sickness that are before them, especially children. These are things that are still, weighing down many people, especially some of us that are from Igbo part of Biafra. So we watch this and we feel so bad about it. And many people have forgotten that these things happened, during the war and after the war. It continued. Some people that are shouting that they are not interested in the Biafran struggle and the freedom of Igbo people. Some of them, these are your parents. Some of you, this is your parent.
The relief teams estimate that 500,000 people in the east central states still need special feeding or medical care. The help must go to them through sick bays established where they're most needed. Dr. Deanne Gorvetz, the Save the Children Fund team leader at Orlu, makes a tour of her area. At the height of its work, this SCF team ran 80 sick bays. Because of the improving situation, they've reduced them by half. It's lucky they were able to do so, for since the beginning of July, there's been a very serious shortage of fuel to distribute the food. From the moment the Nigerian Red Cross pulled out of the relief effort at the end of June until the middle of August, not a drop of petrol came from any Nigerian source to keep the food trucks running. The relief teams have had to buy the petrol themselves, not once but 3 times. One SCF team had to stop work completely for 10 days. All the others had to cut down their work drastically. Only sick bay inpatients have been certain of regular food. I asked the State Commissioner responsible, Mr. Ikoku, what went wrong.
The withdrawal of the Red Cross was not timed to coincide with a build-up of an effective executive capacity here. And so there was that gap. I came in here and found a gap, and we've been battling tooth and nail to build up an effective executive capacity.
Is it a result of arguments between you and the federal government?
No, it is a result of argument between the federal Ministry of Economic Development and the Red Cross, the National Red Cross. There's been some incompatibility of personalities over there. And so we were not taken into confidence as to the timing of the withdrawal of Red Cross operation.
Like the video and share it. See you in my next video. Have a wonderful day, guys, and see you.